So hello everyone, and today we will discuss the E and Z isomerism. Okay, so before discussing some example, you should be remember that in this priority is given to the group. Okay, so if you see the priority given according to the atomic mass or atomic number. Okay, so here if you see first example, so in this if you see this is the carbon carbon double bond. Okay, and COCH3 and CHO is on one side and the other side is tributyl group, and this is the ethylene. Okay, so if you see the in this the first number is given to the COCH3. Okay, because if you see COCH3 atomic mass will be higher as compared to CHO. Okay, so priority should be given to one COCH3 and second is CHO. If you see on the other side, in this the priority is given to the butyl because there is 4 carbon 1, and this is the ethylene, the priority is given to the 2. Okay, so if you see 2 and 2 on the same side, then it is called Z form, or you can say Z isomerism. Okay, here Z is the Zusammen. Okay, on the other hand, if you see the second example, so in this I have priority already chosen here. So bromine is given to the first number, amine is given to the second number. If you see on this side, this is the deuterium and this is the hydrogen. So deuterium is much heavier as compared to hydrogen, so that's why it is given to the first number and this is the second number. So 1 and 2 on the same side because this is different atomic number or priority, so it is given to the E form. Okay, and it is also known as E isomer. The next one is that E isomer. If you see this example, this is the methyl, this is the ethyl, this is the methyl. So ethyl is given to the first priority and methyl is given to the second priority. In this, if you see there, this is one valency less, carbon having 4 valency. So here is only 3. So that's why 1 is given to the methyl and second will given to the hydrogen. So if you see it 1 and 2 in this side, so this is different. So it is given to the E isomer. Okay, and E is antigen. Okay. So next you can see acid is the first priority, this is the hydrogen 2, and in this if you see first priority is given to the this one and second is given to the hydrogen. So 1 and 2, if then it is the E isomer. Okay, so it is the some example of E and Z isomerism. Okay, so if you have any comments regarding this topic, then please write your comment, I will solve your problem. Okay, so thank you for that.